There's so many jobs here. It's not what I thought mining would be.
Mining itself is such a comprehensive industry where the possibility is endless, and you can always find a place in mining that you're passionate about.
Feels like you're providing for society. Feels like you're doing something that the world needs.
Computers, tablets, phones, electric cars. There's just so much that we use this resource for, and that's our up and coming future.
Like, we need our minerals, we need our metals, we need all that for everything.
From the automation, the amount of technology, the STEM learning opportunities. It's almost like those careers of the future people talk about, the careers that haven't even been created yet. Well, they exist now in the present.
What would you say to young people right now who are facing a tough decision about what types of career they can pursue?
Once you start to find something that you love, you'll find that these opportunities fall one after the other, and that's what trades was like for me.
So they're really good at playing video games, or they have drones at home that they're able to fly, not even realizing that these are transferable skills that the mining industry really needs.
I've never had a job that's been better than this.
It's interesting, it's fun, you get to work with people who are like-minded.
Work doesn't even feel like work.
There's some pretty amazing perks. From everything I've learned today, the compensation is very strong. There's a lot of really great job security, a lot of opportunity, and also a lot of free time and flexibility.
14-14 rotation allowed me to have a great work-life balance. You only work half the year and you get paid very well to do it.
I love traveling, and then working that 2-2 rotation allows me to do that.
I was living paycheck to paycheck. Now I live a comfortable life. I got a brand new car, I can travel, I can do my pageantry without having to worry financially.
As a young Indigenous person, I think it is very impactful when I see other young Indigenous people show up to events like this. Just shows them the possibility of where a career of mining can lead them.
I've had a lot of women coming in and asking about how many women work in the mines and what's that like for you, and asking for my experiences is really great.
I always promote women in the mining industry and trades in general, because it's not just a job for men, it's a job for anyone who's willing to work hard and learn new skills and apply them.
I would say it would be one of the best choices they can make if they see themselves in a career with mining or engineering or mechanics.
It's not just going down and extracting the mineral from the wall. It's, you have all these different career paths to choose from to grow in the mining industry.
It's important that we have conversations to the youth about skilled trades, because we need that labor force.
If you're not sure what you want to do, there's like 100 options of job postings you can see if you're interested.
If you're not sure yet and there's an opportunity, to take it. Mining is definitely one of those opportunities, especially now.
Whatever passion that they can have, there's a place for them in mining as well.